Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the interesting aspects of a video I made this week is how it might actually be a great improvement for all of us. Now, one of the big problems with what was announced is some people think that the user transparency and consent feature and the new features that will have enhanced security, that apps will need to be signed and be, known apps that are good apps to run, has a lot of users saying so they're going to block everything else. And Microsoft came back today and said, no, it doesn't have anything to do with that. Apps will continue running, even apps that don't go through that certification. You will have to give permission to a Windows and say you agree that you're running an app. And that's already kind of part of Windows. If you have an app that's not really known, often it's blocked. It doesn't mean it's bad. It just means that Windows is saying, well, I don't know what this is. And maybe you're taking chances. Maybe you're downloading something that you shouldn't. And so the new features of security, and we think that's going to be part of 26H2, will actually simply have a new way of being done. Microsoft just wants all app manufacturers, all app designers and developers to abide by a set of rules that you agree with these rules. We will give you a certification for the apps that you're doing. And we talked about, giving a pop-up saying, well, we're going to use your camera, or do you agree? Or we're going to use your microphone, do you agree? Or so on. But it goes even further than that. The user consent part is quite fascinating, actually, because not only will it ask you for things like that, what it will also do is that it will not modify. This is one of the things that actually Microsoft has mentioned. How many times settings have been changed by an app that you installed? How many times? Well, you know what? Now, with that new rule, nope, you can't go and play with the settings and change things and make that when you restart, you have a million things that are different because an app changed everything. So this is part of what Microsoft says is one of the most annoying things for Windows users. Apps that modify stuff without your consent, without asking, then you're lost, then you don't know what you're doing. And all of that will be integrated in there. And now that's the other part that I was thinking is, so that means that Microsoft itself needs to abide by those new rules, meaning that they will need to have the same behavior. And I think it will be the case because I think all of this comes from the new head of Windows. I think the new head of Windows has decided to change things. He's decided to do things. Pavan Delvalluri is known to have changed things everywhere he's been in Microsoft, and for the better in general. So now him being head of Windows and devices might mean that finally we have somebody that listens to what we want. And this, I think, might be a good future for Windows. I think he realizes that people are mad, people are not happy, and that it's time that things change. So let's hope that it really does, because I think it would be really, really nice to have all of that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.